Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dosto. In this video we will try to understand the concepts of palindrome over language consisting of two different symbols A and B through this example, through this numerical. This numerical has four parts. The part 1 says if prove that if y is in palindrome, then so is y raised to power n. Prove that if y cube is in palindrome, then so is y. Prove that palindrome has as many words of length 4 as it has of length 3. And last is prove that palindrome has as many words of length 2n as it has of length 2n minus 1. So first of all, we are required to create the language palindrome over A and B. Now this language palindrome may consist of only those words whose reverse is equal to themselves. So we have some occurrences there. Palindrome of a word with length 1 A and B, then palindrome of words with length 2 A and B, then all the words with length 3 that may be included in palindrome are AAA, ABA, BAB, BBB, and then length 4 palindromes AAAA, ABB, AA, BAA, BBB. Okay, so now we will start the first part of the example, which is prove that if y is in palindrome, then so is y raised to power n. Let y is equal to, we may take any palindromic instance. So I selected ABA. Y is equal to ABA. Now let n is equal to 4. Y raised to power n is equal to ABA raised to power n. Now as n is equal to 4, so y4 is equal to ABA raised to power 4. So y4 is equal to 4 times ABA, 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 ABA. Now if you read it from in reverse order, you will get ABA, 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 which is the same string, which is also in palindrome. So it is proved that if y is in palindrome, then so is y n, y raised to power n. Now consider if y cube is in palindrome, then so is y. Let y is equal to triple A, y cube is equal to triple A. We can write it as a raised to power 3. 3 is cancelled with 3, so y is equal to a, which is also a palindrome. Hence it is proved that if y is in palindrome, then so is if y cube is in palindrome, hence proved that if y cube is in palindrome, then so is y. Okay guys, the third part, total words of length 4. A palindrome has the total word of length 4 equals to the total words of length 3. Now look at here, AAA, ABA, BAB, BBB. There are 4 words of length 3 that are palindrome. Now there are 4 words of length 3 that are in palindrome. Total words of length 4 is equal to AAAA, ABBA, BAAB, BBBB. 4. Total words of length 3 is equal to AAA, ABA, BAB, BBB. 4. So it is proved from this example that palindrome has as many words of length 4 as it has of length 3. The last one is to prove that palindrome has as many words of length 2n as it has of length 2n minus 1. So as n is suppose n is equal to 2. Okay, suppose n is equal to 2, then we select the length is equal to 2n. The words of the length 2n is equal to 2 2s are 4, means those words will be selected whose length is 4. Now the second length selected is equal to 2n minus 1. 2 twos are 4 minus 1 means 3. All the words, all the palindromic words whose length is 3. Now the total words of length 2n is equal to total words of length 4 are 4. Okay, this, and this, and total words of length 2n minus 1 is equal to total words of length 3 is equal to aa, this 4. Okay, so hence it is proved that a palindrome has as many words of length 2n as it has of length 2n minus 1. Let n is equal to 1. Okay, then 2n length 2n will be equal to 2 into 1 is equal to 2, all the words with length 2, and length 2n minus 1 will be equal to 2 into 1 minus 1 is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, all the words of length 1 in palindrome. Now we see as total words of length 2n is equal to length as n is 1, so length 2 are equal to a and b are equal to 2. There are only 2 words of length 2 in palindrome. Now total words of length 2n minus 1 is equal to, as n is 1, 2n minus 1, 2 ones are 2, minus 1 is 1, length 1 is equal to 1 is a and other is b, 2. So it is proved again that palindrome has as many words of length 2n as it has of word of length 2n minus 1. This also means that if there are some words of length 20 in palindrome, and of length 19, so the both lengths will have equal number of palindromic instances. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel, like the video, share these videos, invite your friends to subscribe this channel. Thank you.